I'm gonna show you how to assemble Ikea REMSTA armchair. This is the one here. Let's do it. And you're getting one box with this Ikea REMSTA armchair. I already opened it up, so this is two parts you're getting in the box. The top and the sitting part. Here, open the zip on the bottom of the sitting part. You're gonna have all your legs and screws, all the fittings you need here. Gonna open it up quickly just for you to see how much stuff you're getting. So you're getting 4 legs, few screws and the keys. And we're gonna start with the top part. Here at the bottom of the top part, you're gonna have 4 holes. You're gonna have 4 of these screws. One side have shorter drive, one side have longer drive. We're gonna go in first with the shorter drive. This is the side here. Shorter drive coming in first. And we're gonna secure all 4 screws in holes here at the bottom of the back part of the armchair. Here there is no key to secure those screws, so you just go with your hands, go all the way in. When you feel enough resistance, you can just stop. Just make sure they are all the way in. Now we can put this on the side and we're gonna work with the bottom part here. This is the front, this is the back. Where is the holes? 1, 2, 3, 4 holes here. And we're gonna place the back part in with all 4 screws. So at this point, find all the 4 holes and place it in. Make sure you're all the way in. You're gonna have easier time to secure it from the other side. So now we're gonna have 4 nuts and 4 washers. Place the washer first, nut after it, and secure it. You're gonna have a key which IKEA provide in the box, so you can secure the nuts, but go all the way by hand first, because it's quite hard access with the key. So once you're all the way in by hand with the nut, then secure it with the key. Put all 4 washers and nuts in first by hand, and after go one by one with the key. Okay, now you can secure all the connections with the key. And here, as you're gonna secure one of them, the other 3 gonna get loose as the connection is tightening up. So just go back to second, third and fourth one, and then again back to the first one. You're gonna see how the connection get loose once you tighten the first one. Is because the connection get tightened and the nuts are not all the way in yet. See, I tighten this one completely and then the other get loose, so just secure them by hand, and when you cannot go anymore, secure them, finish it with the key which IKEA provide in the box. And do that again and again till all 4 of them are tightened completely, and that's gonna secure the bottom and the back part together completely. You see, I'm still going back and forward with the left, right one and the bottom ones as they get loose as you tighten the sides. But that's how it's supposed to be. Once there is very little, once they tighten enough, then the connection is secured properly. Just don't overrun them. Don't go like a crazy on those screws. You don't want to override them. Just you feel enough resistance in all 4. Then the connection is secured properly. Now over time, if they get loose or anything, you can just open the bottom and secure them again, and you're gonna have again a good strong connection. Okay, now we can close this bottom part with the zip, and we're gonna add the legs. Just put it this way. You're gonna have 4 legs, 2 shorter, 2 longer. We're gonna start with the shorter ones, and they going at the back of the chair. Gonna have 3 screws for each leg. Just place the screws in. And we're gonna secure them one by one. We're gonna do with all 4 legs exactly the same. This is the second one at the back, so this is the shorter legs. And 3 screws, and the 2 longer legs, they coming at the front. Same again, place 3 screws to secure the leg with the bottom of the chair. Here the electric screwdriver would be very useful as you have 12 bigger screws, so Gonna make the job faster, and this electric screwdriver have adjustive torque, so you can adjust how hard you want to go on the screws, which is very practical, so you make sure you never overrun the screws. But if you don't have it, that's fine. Ikea provide Allen key, which is in the box, so you can do it with the Allen key as well. If you're interested what I'm using for all these assembly videos, all the tools are linked in the description. So there it is, all of them are tightened, and now I'm gonna take the Allen key and just finish the connection just by tightening all of them up at the end stage. So make sure all the legs are tightened, as with the Allen key you have more sense of how tight the connection is. And that's it, that's how you assemble Ikea REMSTA armchair. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel as always, you will make my day, and see you in my next one very soon. Thank you for watching, have a fantastic day.